You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this fashion designer. If you want to learn more confusing names from fashion brand names that too many people get wrong, including from France and Italy, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Founder of Ami. His name is pronounced in French as Alexandre Mattiussi. 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 Alexandre Mattiussi, the French pronunciation, but if you cannot pronounce French perfectly in English, Alexandre Mattiussi. Mattiussi. Alexandre Mattiussi, French pronunciation, Alexandre Mattiussi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.